Welcome back. A new war of words has begun within the Congress party. NSUI has objected to the statement by GPCC spokesperson Pratima on Youth Congress President Valanka Alemão. NSUI has demanded action against Pratima. In her statement, Pratima had said Valanka should work for party's upliftment rather than eyeing Lok Sabha ticket. Allotment of candidature is AICC's prerogative. This is how the controversy began. Pratima criticized Valanka Alemão on her lobbying for getting MP ticket.
It is up to the High Command to see your work and give you the tickets. It is them who they want to decide. And you have to abide. Last elections were there. I never claimed. It was coming to me, but still I said, let others get the chance. So what I am trying to say is that it is not there. Even I have been the youth president. It's party's decision. Party this person is ready to take on. Maybe party has thought that Valanka as youth president has to work for the organization. When you are taking on as the president, do some work for the organization.
Now, NSUI demands action against Pratima for her statement.
Pratima, on what information, on what news did she blame Valanka Alemão for all this mess? Pratima amge leaderache ulayla. Pratima amge leaderache ulayla. So amge leaderage clear korba like that. Leaderage amge stand no. We are listen. Let me be very straight, specific. We are come here to ask action on Pratima only. We are very straight to it. If Chechil said anything to Youth Congress of NSUI, we will tell to take action on him also. We have cleared a mandate down saying that we are working hard, whatever it is. We don't want anybody to just simply put allegations on us.
NSUI says Savio Coutinho, husband of Pratima, had contested against Congress candidate Digambar Kamath in Margao. Pratima should not teach commitment to Congress's workers.
When her husband had said on TMC, what was her say? Did she resign Congress? When she doesn't have any moral rights to even talk on Advocate Valanka Alemão.
Reporter Mahesh Kari with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent. India's largest jewellery destination Tanishq has set up their showroom in Panji. On their venture in Goa, Tanishq is offering people with an offer which is valid till Sunday. Tanishq has also come up with a unique scheme, Golden Harvest. This scheme provides the customer to save and choose varied colors by Tanishq. You may also measure and test your gold on their carat meter. So don't miss your chance at the Tanishq showroom in Panji.
We also running an offer from today onwards till this Sunday, especially for all the customers of Tanishq. So on every purchase of jewellery, it's a 10 gram gold. If they buy, they get a gold pendant. And if they buy every 8,000 rupees of diamond jewellery, they get a gold pendant. So that's the offer which we are going to run from today till Sunday. In addition to that, we also have something called a purchase scheme called Golden Harvest. It's a very powerful scheme. It basically helps a person to plan their purchase in advance. So I can start saving my money from now onwards till a particular number of months, and then I can buy my jewelry of my choice.
The gold that we give and diamonds are exactly as per what is specified. We also have a very unique machine called the carat meter that tests non-destructively the real caratage of any gold jewelry, and this has been also a great factor in making people be convinced about Tanishq.
Dempo beat Salgaocar by 6 wickets in the Super 4 League phase of GPL 5. Salgaocar set a very poor target of 73 runs. Dempo comfortably completed the target in 11 overs. Man of the match honour was shared by Amit Mishra and Shadab Jakati. Super 4 League's Friday encounter will be between Dempo vs Chogle and second match will be between Salgaocar vs Gino. GPL is live on Prudent.
So Shailu spins the coin. Tails is the call. I have decided to bowl first.
This time the short ball not very well connected. There's a fielder coming there. And he's dropped. This time adding insult to injury. That's gone for 6. This time a pull shot. There is a fielder coming underneath it. This time it's taken. Excellent delivery there to clean up the batsman.
नाचो पहिलो बॉल आणि परवेजाचो मिस टाइम जाल्लो आसा शॉट आणि ताणी रिस्की रन घेतिल्लो आसा.
Lovely delivery there, caught behind. This time down the leg side, fine leg is inside the circle. That ball goes racing to the fence for 4. This time once again up in the air. There is a fielder coming underneath it. Shadab Jakati, he won't miss this. This time he's got him, it looks like. It's been referred to the third umpire. This one has been hit up in the air. There is a fielder coming underneath it. Vishal Singh. This time just for a single. If he hits, it might be curtains now for Salgaocar. It looks like they have their man. This time lovely shot in the gap. And Ravi Teja starts his campaign with a boundary. This time in the shot, lovely shot there. That was all about timing. Couple of bounces into the fence. And Swapnil Aslorkar is out of the very first ball. Short ball there, lovely shot. Darshan Misal, and he's been greeted with a 6. And this time he's caught behind. This time in the gap on the offside. Time the batsman steps down the crack. The ball is up in the air. The bowler is underneath it. And what a lovely catch. Brilliant catch there. And that's it. So comprehensive victory for Dempos, which came in just the 11th over, 77 for 4.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.